calling all firefighters, police officers, paramedics, EMT, and nurses who are in their 50s looking at their retirement and their pension that's coming up and figuring out, like me, man, that's just not going to be enough. I don't really want to live on 60% or 70% of what I'm earning. I'd like to live on 100% what I'm earning or more. If you're interested in looking at something that can make you some money online by starting an online business, legitimate, not a pyramid scheme, not a $7 deal trying to sell you on a $2,500 package, but something that you could earn between 80 and 100% commission. Would you be interested? If you are, grab onto that link. You know where it's at. Click that or put hashtag show me and I will send you the information. I look forward to hearing from you, and like and follow this so you can get more information about exactly what I'm doing in 2024 to change my future retirement that's coming up very, very soon.